OK。上了。Here, draw a circle. Change the size. Apply. Select the design. Here, offset 10 millimeter. OK. Here, select this design. Combine. Here, height 0.05. OK. Select. Move to center. And here, change part height. This. Click this go to. Here, parameters. Speed 6000. Frequency. Power switch. Laser on, laser off, and then TC. This. And move axis to a location. And here location is OK. Then here, set origin. Here, set origin. OK. OK. Current. Set origin as current mode. OK. And click hotkey.
OK 姐姐。
And mark. Ah, 对呢。OK。